Hello everybody, today we will be griefing a base in Minecraft, guys. Yeah! Wow! W setup, bro. low budget, low budget. Low budget setup. So hello everybody, today this is the coordinates, guys. Today we will be griefing this base right here, but first we need to be able to get all of the materials right here. Yes, this is so absolute cinema, guys. What's this chest, guys? Empty chest. Ding dong, ititap. Oh, that's my ender chest. Okay. um hmm. Ay, wait, my chest yung mga donkeys. My chest yung mga donkeys pala. May mga kits yung donkeys. May mga kits yung donkeys. Mga black kit. May mga wait, check ko. Ay, PVP kits, may PVP kits. PVP kit yung diamond lang. So guys, as you I'm talking to someone but you cannot hear them because I'm using a different phone for Discord because this phone that is currently recording cannot download Discord, so I have to use another phone for Discord. And Minecraft. Today we will be griefing a Minecraft base, guys. So this is absolute cinema. This is my first time griefing mega base of some kind, guys. So today I will first I already put down some TNT, guys. So I think this is a old base because the kits is only diamonds, and this is not the kits is not the kits is not use netherite, so maybe the base is being before netherite update. So that is my conclusion, and I think that first we mine and then we craft. So let's Minecraft, guys. Do you understand, guys? Jarel, hello guys. Low budget YouTube. ito ang nangyayari Itong nangyayari kung lag masyado ang POV, lag masyado kung mag screen record. Away lang, mag small TNT lang muna ako, mag small TNT. Madaming empty shulkers. Oh my PC talaga. So ay, nandito yung TNT. Hello guys, today ay natapos naman yung intro. As you can see, that is an old village. So this must be an old build because the village is old. So the build is also old. So this is what happens when you build a base and then there is chunk trails. My creeper. The creeper is gonna blow up the base before I do it. Wait, wala akong flint and steel, bro. Bro, the creeper will grief the base before I do. Flint and steel. Hindi kasi madami pang loot. Mag-explode lang ako little bit of stuff. Hindi, kailangan ko pa Okay, kailangan ko pa kasi fully loot yung ano. Guys, you can see that lag, guys. Na base. Wait, picture. Picture, guys, picture. Ay, never mind, okay. uh, so guys, you cannot hear the conversation, but my friend just found another base, and it is very grief with weather. So I will not go to that area because it is already grief. So first, we will blow up this portion. When we found this base, it was already griefed a little bit. So uh, so we were not the first to this base, but there's still a lot of leftover loot and some areas that is not yet griefed. As you can see, there's TNT there up above. We did not place that. We did not grief this glass dome. I did not explode anything yet. When I explode this, it will be my first explosion. So we will explode this, guys, in 3, 2, 1. This entire farm type area will be exploded. The first TNT is explosion. Oh, my PC. Okay, I'm gonna die. Okay. Oh, my PC. Oh, my PC. Oh, my PC. Guys, as you can see, my lag. There is so much lag, guys, as you can see. Wait, no. Everything blow up. Bro, bro, everything blow up. Even the chest. Bro, no, wala. Bro, I didn't get any of the loot. Bro, nawala yung loot. Nawala yung loot. Bro, na-explode lahat ng loot. Bro, everything is gone. Yes, bro, na-explode ko accidentally lahat. Na-explode lahat ba? Bro, can you not hear the words that are coming out of my mouth, bro? Please? Bro, all of the loot is gone. Wow. Bro, Bro, magtipi ka sa akin. Magtipi ka sa akin. Bro, I didn't get any of the loot. Like, zero talaga na loot na kuha ko. I did not get any loot. I did not get any loot. I did not get any loot. There's the chain reaction, bro. Bro. I did not mean to do that. You can see in the footage. You can see in the footage. I did not mean to do that. There's only a little bit of kits left. Wait, the donkeys. My kits yung donkeys. The donkeys have kits. Wait. Bro, the loot. Mag-teleport ka sa... Will you teleport to me? Ah! Okay, teleport ka sa akin next. Nag-slash home ako dito. And then, like, na-explode yung loot ba? Na-explode yung stuff. Nag-grief ko na, pero... Ah! At the cost of the loot. Bro, lapit na nahulog yung recorder. Wait a second. So guys, since I accidentally blow everything up, I have to... Wait a second, let me fix this camera, guys. Bro, can I pay you to edit a video? Okay. Ay, nasa spawn ka? Let me get some loot from the donkeys. Bro, where the... Bro, saan yung... Nahulog yung donkey? Bro, did the donkey fall down? Yeah, yeah. I-turn on mo yung no fall damage hack. Turn on no fall damage. Mind the chest sa base. I mean sa... Ha? Tingnan mo good, nawala. Aha. Huh? How did bro teleport? Bro, like, i-free ka mo good sa taas. Mag-free cam ka good sa taas. Wala na yung loot. Wala na yung chest. Nothing. There's nothing left. There's nothing left. There's only this area na lang. Wall, wall, wall. Oy, may concrete shulker, may concrete. Glass, PVP kit. Glass? Hindi. Curse of Vanishing is ma-despawn siya agad. Ay, bro. Bro, where is... Real? I might as well light this on fire, bro. Loot. What do they have? Nothing. What do they have? Where is it? No. Ah, hmm. Bro, wait, nawala yung ano. Bro, nawala yung mga donkeys na may kits. I only got 2 kits, bro. I only got 2 kits. Oh, I only got 2 kits. Yes, dalawang kits lang nakuha ko kasi na-explode ko yung iba. Like, legit na-explode ko yung iba. Chicken jockey. Chicken jockey. Nice. There goes all of the TNT, guys. Okay, I think this base is done for, guys. Slash Del Home Sky Base. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. So, guys, that's the end of the video. Linggang, yes!